come to the point. Today's topic is related on the laws of exponent, and with the help of these laws you can solve much problems related from worksheet 3, 4, 5 and worksheet 6. Come one by one question from worksheet 3. Worksheet 3, you know what are the laws? Laws is, if x to the power m into x to the power n, if bases are same and there is a sign of multiplication, then power will be add. Then you write x to the power m plus n. Next, if a to the power m into a to the power n into a to the power p, then what will be the answer? Bases are same, there is a sign of multiplication, so you can write m plus n plus p. Now, question number 1. Question number 1 is related with which of the following statements are true. First question is 3 by 4 whole to the power 3 into minus 3 by 4 whole to the power 3 equal to minus 3 by 4 whole to the power 6. Dear students, look carefully in these examples. Bases are different. Here is 3 by 4 and here is minus 3 by 4. Bases are different. But when you are going to solve these, then this value is in plus, this value is in minus. When you multiply minus in odd number of times, then the result is minus. Plus into minus equal to minus. But here there is minus and its power is even number. When you multiply minus in even number of times, then the result is plus. So both parts are not same. So it is not true. Second, 4 by 7 whole to the power 5 into 4 by 7 whole to the power 3 equal to 4 by 7 whole to the power 8. Is it true? Now, it is based on this. Base is 4 by 7, here is also 4 by 7, there is a sign of multiplication. So, when bases are same, then power will be added in multiplication. So, 5 plus 3 equal to 8, it is true. Now, with the help of this, you can solve easily question number 1. Similarly, question number 2. Now, question number 3. Question number 3. Dear students, x to the power m divided by x to the power m. Next rule, it is first rule, it is second rule. Bases are same and there is a sign of division. So, subtract the power m minus n. With the help of these rules, you can solve question number 4. Question number 4. Example, 5 by 7 whole to the power 4 divided by 5 by 7 whole to the power 2. Now, bases are same, sign is division. So, according to this rule, power will be subtract. The 5 by 7 whole to the power 4 minus 2 equal to 5 by 7 whole to the power 2, and you can split it. 5 by 7 power is 2, so multiply it 2 times. 5 by 7 equal to 25 by 49. With the help of this, you can easily solve worksheet 3. Now come to the next topic, worksheet 4. Worksheet 4. It is based on division. Again, I write rule x to the power m divided by x to the power n equal to x to the power m minus m. Now, question number 1, fill in the blanks. 16 to the power 15 divided by 16 to the power 19. Bases are same. There is a sign of division. So power will be subtract. 15 minus 19 equal to 16 by 15 minus 19. Put minus sign and then subtract from bigger number. 19 minus 15 equal to 4. This is the answer. And you can say it is the reciprocal of 16. So write it 1 by 16 to the power 4. It is the answer. Now, next rule is x to the power m whole to the power n. Then what will be the result? Result is if power and then there is power, then multiply the both power m into n. Also look, if x to the power m whole to the power n whole to the power p whole to the power q, then what will be the result? With the same process, you can write x to the power m into n into p into q. Next, x to the power 0. If there is any number whose exponent is 0, then put value is 1. For example, 2 by 3 whole to the power 0 equal to 1. Minus 3 by 6 whole to the power 0 equal to 1. 1 to the power 0 plus 2 by 3 to the power 0 plus 6 by 7 power 0. What will be the result? Its value is 1. Its value is 1. Its value is 1. Now this is 3. Dear students, with the help of these rules, you can easily solve from worksheet 3 to worksheet 6. Thank you for today's class.